Good morning po. Gumagawa po kami ng video interview para sa ethics namin at magtatanong lang po kami ng 3 questions sa'yo. First question po ay ano pong pangalan nyo?
Renz.
Renz. Criminology po ba? Okay. Ang first question po is, should we always help strangers in need?
Yeah, depends din kung kailangan talaga nila kasi may mga tao rin na maghihingi ng tulong sa iba kahit kaya naman nilang gawin.
Okay, thank you po dun sa sagot na. And ang second question po ay, is it okay if we cheat if no one finds out?
What kind of cheating?
Siguro kuya, parang kunyari may partner kang babae, ganyan. Tapos parang nag-cheat ka, yung parang ng babae ka, tapos di ka niya nahuli, gano'n.
Cheating is bad na talaga, so pag nag-cheat ka.
So, mali siya.
Mali siya.
Okay.
So, hello kuya. Dito kami para sa interview for ethics po. Ako po si Wesley Diaz. I'm from CE2A. And sino po sila?
Po si Leonard Josh Mapadal from BS Crim 2A.
Okay. Should we always help strangers in need?
For me, in ethical term, mas maganda kung ano yung sa tingin mong tama na gagawin mo to help someone. Gawin mo siya based on your, hindi mo lang siya ipuput sa isip mo, but also put some emotion on it para ma-define mo anong decision yung gagawin.
So, bibigyan kita ng senaryo kuya. Kunwari may kaibigan kang malapit. Nahihirapan siya sa kanyang pagsusulit. Ngayon, gusto mo siyang tulungan. Like, bibigyan mo siya ng sagot. Ayos lang ba na mag-cheat kung walang nakakakita?
Hindi. Kasi yung ethical or ethics, kasi based sa'yo kung ano yung tamang gagawin mo sa isang situation and magbe-base yun dun sa impact sa'yo and dun sa impact ng tutulungan mo tao. Kasi first of all, mali yung mag-cheat, no? And second of all, siguro sa kanya na siguro yan kung hindi siya makapasa since siguro hindi siya nag-review na.
Ano po ang pangalan nila? From what courses?
I'm from BS Psych 2B and I'm Elena Julia Bertolome.
So, Wesley Diaz from CE2A. So, bibigyan kita ng senaryo ate. So, what if may malapit kang kaibigan and nahirapan siya academically? And may quiz kayo tapos humingi siya ng tulong sa'yo, humingi siya ng sagot. Bibigyan mo ba na siya ng sagot sa quiz nang walang nakakita?
Personally, no. Kasi if I really wanted to help my friend, the right way is not by cheating, yung letting her copy my answers, ganyan. Kasi siya din yung mahihirapan sa future. So, she needs to learn her things her own way. And, syempre, consequence yun na hindi siya nakapag-aral or ano. Pero let's say talagang I will help her in terms of, let's say, mag-study kami together, ganon, or yun na nga, tulungan ko siya sa mga areas na hindi siya, like parang hindi niya nag-grasp. Pero, that's before our exam or our test. Pero mismong test, hindi ko siya ipapakopya. Kasi at the end of the day, siya din yung mahihirapan.
Okay. So, last question po. Bakit tayo nagigilty? So, may ginagawa tayong mali?
Siguro because of our sense of yung consciousness natin. I mean, growing up, we already know what's right and wrong, di ba? So, technically speaking, we feel guilty kasi we know what we did is wrong. And kung naniniwala ka kay God, syempre, parang iisipin mo na hindi siya natutuwa sa ganon. So, you would obviously feel guilty kasi it's weighing down your shoulders. You know what I mean?
So, thank you po ate sa
Good afternoon po, ma'am. My name is Sebastian Alfonso po. At today po, may ginagawa po kaming video interview para sa ethics po namin. And first question po is, what is your name po?
Mika po.
Is it okay to cheat if no one finds out?
Hindi, kasi yung mismong pag-cheat kahit walang nakakaalam is mali na talaga.
Okay po. At ang last question natin is, why do we feel guilty when we do something wrong?
Alam natin sa sarili natin mali yung ginawa natin yun. Kaya tayo mismo nagigil tayo kasi alam natin sa sarili natin na kapag may nagawa tayong mali, alam natin na may masasaktan iba.
Thank you for your answers. At,
So in conclusion, is it true that humans have this natural tendency to help others? even if they are strangers. So it feels like a moral obligation to assist others, which is why it feels so natural to do something good for them. On the flip side, when we do something wrong, it doesn't feel right. Even if no one sees us, there's still uncomfortable feelings that because we know deep down that what we did was wrong. We end up feeling guilty about it, worried about the consequences we might face as a result of our actions. These inner insights reflect our understanding of right and wrong and the desire to stay true to our own sense of morality.